I am Samoan and I am proud of that. It really was empowering for me because I'm someone who, I grew up in Long Beach. I grew up away from the islands, often away from my larger family, and I felt pretty isolated in that. And part of that created, I would say, a confidence problem in me. It really shook me and made me question who I am. And I think working on this film in a lot of ways has brought me into a larger community and given me a lot of confidence to just not apologize for being like who I am. Yeah, so I am of mixed heritage, but I am Samoan and I am proud of that. And I'm so proud that every day I get to come in and make a movie that hundreds of millions of people are going to watch over and over and over again. And I get to give this as a gift to my family, to my cousins, to their kids. And it changes the way we perceive ourselves, and it changes the way they think about their future. This is a movie about Moana connecting to a bigger future. She's going out into the ocean to connect to other people, and I think that this film has done that in a lot of ways for me, and I hope that it continues to do that for all the Pacific Islanders that come after me, who look at Dave and I and this stage and all of the cast that we have and many of the crew members that we have that are Pacific Islanders and say, I can do that too.
You guys, we got this! Bring it on, Coco!